Welcome, seekers of knowledge, to the YouTube course called Become a Modern Day Alchemist. I'm Dreyer, your guide and mentor on this transformative journey into the realm of modern alchemy. Today, we dive into the principle of mentalism, which forms the foundation of our understanding. But what does it mean to be an alchemist in the modern world? An alchemist, in its various interpretations, is someone who possesses the wisdom to transmute one form of energy into another. In simpler terms, we have the power to manifest ideas and thoughts into physical manifestations, just like transforming ideas into gold or turning dreams into financial abundance. Now, let's explore the profound implications of the principle of mentalism. This principle reveals the fundamental truth that everything but everything originates from the realm of the mind. It teaches us that the entire universe, everything that you can see or even imagine, is a manifestation of the infinite living mind, often referred to as the spirit or energy of God. Understanding of this principle is the key to improving our lives. By recognizing that all external manifestations and appearances are rooted in the realm of the mind, we can harness this creative intelligence within us to bring forth our desires into this physical world. So I'd like to give you a task for today, and that is to take a moment to reflect on this principle and to recognize the immense power that lies within your mind. I want you to look around you. Is there anything that you see or can touch that is not a manifestation where it was first an idea? Now, maybe that thing now belongs to you, but where did that thing come from? It comes from an idea that I want to have that. Now, there are different ways that we can manifest that. We can buy something on a credit card, or we can write out a check for that and take it from something that we've got, or we can buy it on lay-by. So there are different ways that manifests, but there's just one way that it can manifest as an alchemist, and that is where you've got an idea and take that waves, that energy, and convert that energy specifically, intentionally, into whatever you want. And that is your reality, because we are the sons and daughters of the Creator. And that gift was given to every single person, but we do not always know it because we've got these blind spots where the systems around us say to us, but you are actually nothing. And we started to believe that. So I want you to start cultivating awareness of your mental faculties. Now, the mental faculties, there are 6 higher faculties of the mind, called the mind powers, in short. And the moment that we understand it, and we can see how they shape our reality, and understand that we have full control over them, you know where this power comes from. So I want you to practice focusing your thoughts on your desired outcomes and begin the process of manifesting them into physical existence. So in conclusion, remember that you are the master of your reality. By embracing the principle of mentalism and consciously directing your thoughts and your energy, you have the ability to shape your life according to your desires. Now, if you found this lesson insightful, I'd like to invite you to like, share, and comment on this video in order to spread the wisdom of a modern day alchemist. So thank you so much for joining me today. And I encourage you to continue watching the full course and embark on this transformative journey as we unravel the secrets of becoming a modern day alchemist. And the trick with this course is not to try to go through it and not to see it as just more information. I want you to turn that information, that knowledge, into wisdom. Wisdom means that it becomes part of you, that you can use this in your life and get the results that you desire. In other words, become a modern day alchemist where you can take an idea and convert it into whatever you want. But to do that, you have to do it. You can't dream about it. You have to do it. And there are 2 main skills that we have to apply. The one is the mindset, which always comes first, which comes from this mentalism, and then the second one is on performance in order to gain the skills to do it in real life. Right? Those are the two main areas of focus for a modern day alchemist. Now, before we part ways, I've also got a very exciting opportunity for you. That is, if you haven't taken it yet, and that is to sign up for a free live online masterclass called the Golden Key Masterclass. This will blow your mind because we're going to dive deeper into the manifestation process. You're going to find a link to the masterclass in the description below the video. And there are basically 3 secrets that I'm going to share with you. But I think the most important part is why we've got these blind spots. Why is it that it is not easy for the average person to let go of all these limited beliefs that we've got? And how is it that the systems enslave us in this process? Now, a slave, a modern day slave, simply means when you work without compensation. Now, the thing is that normally we don't work without compensation. We think that we work and that we get something back because it's the effort that we put in, and in exchange they give us money, which is a form of energy. But that form of energy is not what we think it is. It was simply also created by master alchemists, but the negative side, and bring that into existence. And we started to give our energy in exchange for that. But now they give it to us and then they take it away without us knowing it. In other words, we need to understand the systems that we're in and how the polarity, the positive and the negative, how the negative works. Because the moment that we understand how it works, we can control our own energy and we do not have to be and fall into the system. Now, there's nothing wrong with the system, by the way, because we can use that system, but there's a positive and a negative way to use it. And the majority of people are giving their energy and spending their energy with nothing really tangible in return, except for an illusion. And that's why I want you to attend the Golden Key. You're going to absolutely love it. So thanks for your time, and I'm going to see you in the next lesson.